Hello everyone and welcome to this vid.io tutorial where we'll be showing you how to make an image talking video with AI. We'll be using the Fabric One on vid.io. So once you get to your account, this new feature will be presented at the top of your dashboard. So what we'll need to do is to click on this button, Vid Fabric 1.0, try for free. Now we have the link to this in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. So right away you can see we're presented with the option to add a character and speech. And you can see the version we're currently using, Vid Fabric 1. So let's go ahead and add a character and a speech. Now once you go ahead and click on add character, you will be presented with some options. Go ahead and choose one, or you can upload your photo if you wish to. Going to go ahead and choose this. So after selecting your character, you're going to add a speech. Click on add speech. Now once you click on add speech, you have three options. You can use the AI voice where you get to write your text and let the AI do the magic for you. Or you can go ahead and click on record where you'll need to record your speech. And the third option is to click on upload a file. This is if you have your audio recording already and you'd like to proceed with this option. For this tutorial, we'll be using the AI voice and we'll be writing in our text. So as you can see, we now have our text. This is VEED. Let's vibe on this trend. Now at the bottom, you get to choose the language. You have English Australia, English Canada, etc. So you can choose the English or the language you prefer. Then on the right side, you also get to choose the speaker. These are different accents. We're currently on social media. You also have young, narrative story, and confident. These are other options you could search through. We're going to leave it at the default and click on add speech. And now that we have the character and the audio, we're going to click on generate. At this point, we will be given a few moments for the video to generate. And now that our video is ready, let's have a preview.
This is VEED. Let's vibe on this trend.
Great, let's enlarge it.
This is VEED. Let's vibe on this trend.
Great, so we can click on add and this will add the video to our timeline. Let's play it once again.
This is VEED. Let's vibe on this trend.
Great output. So as you can see, we've been able to turn our photo or photo we selected and added some text in order to create an image talking video with vid.io. Don't forget to check out the link in the description so you can enjoy this feature. Do let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.